In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Nano Banana. We'll turn AI-generated visuals into short-form videos that you can post and monetize across platforms. I'll walk you through creating a striking image, converting it into a cinematic clip, and setting it up to earn. Start by opening Google Gemini. In the chat, write a creative prompt that clearly describes the look you want. You can copy an idea or make your own. For example, create a hyper-realistic glass banana, apple, carrot, and pear on a marble table. To make your results stand out, add your own twist. Specify colors, lighting like soft daylight or neon glow, camera angle, or even the surface texture. The more vivid and specific you are, the more consistent the output will be. Click Generate and let the AI apply the style. Review a few variations, and when you're happy with the result, download the image. If a higher resolution option is available, choose it. Clean, sharp images translate better into video. Next, head to Google's AI Studio and open the VO3 interface. In the VO3 page, select Get Started. Choose Generate Media, then pick VO. Here, you'll create a short video from the image you just made. Use a prompt like, create a cinematic, hyper-realistic video of a glass apple being sliced in slow motion with ASMR sound. Keep your language clear and cinematic. Mention pacing like slow motion and describe the mood. Press enter and wait about 1 to 2 minutes while your video generates. When the preview is ready, watch it end to end to check motion, lighting, and detail. If it looks good, click download video to save it. If not, tweak your prompt with more precise direction, things like camera movement, background, or the amount of motion, then regenerate. Now upload your video to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. Short, visually surprising clips often perform well. For monetization, enable eligible programs such as YouTube ad revenue, TikTok creator rewards, or Facebook Reels bonuses where available. Requirements vary by region and account, so review each platform's policies. To boost earnings, add affiliate marketing, browse networks like OfferVault or ClickBank, pick products that align with your audience, think stress relief, sleep aids, or relaxation, and include your affiliate links in captions, pinned comments, or descriptions. Always follow disclosure rules and platform guidelines. Finally, publish and repeat. Keep creating new visuals, testing prompts, and iterating on what performs. The more consistent you are, the more likely you'll build steady AI-powered income over time.